Hi children, how are you? Hope you are all staying safe. Children, have you all enjoyed your online classes? Yes, good. Welcome to today's EVS class. Before starting our class, we should discuss one moral value. Shall we, children? Yes. Are you ready? Yes. Good. Children, today's moral value is respect. Respect is a way of treating others. Everyone must respect their fellow human beings. Yes. To listen, to encourage, to congratulate, to be helpful and thankful are the ways of showing respect towards others. Respect from others is also important because it helps one to feel safe and happy. Yes. Apart from respect, self-respect is also very important for a human being. Self-respect refers to the loving of oneself and behave with truth, honesty and dignity. So children, you must respect your parents, elders, teachers, and also you must have your self-respect. Yes. So children, in our last class, we had discussed about flower, its types and functions and its uses. Have you remembered? Yes. And also root, the types of roots and its functions and uses of roots and flowers. Yes. I think you had learned these thoroughly. Yes. Today we are going to discuss about animals. Are you ready, children? Yes. Earth is a home to many animals. Animals are our companions. They are of various types. They help to maintain our ecosystem. Cutting down of trees has led to a loss of habitat for many animals because many animals are in the state of extinct. That is, they are going to disappear. So children, we must protect the animals. So Wildlife Day is celebrated on March 3rd of every year. So children, please protect the animals. Okay, don't give any harm to the animals. Love the animals because animals are very important for us. Yes. Next, classification of animals. Animals are classified into vertebrates and invertebrates. They are also classified into mammals, reptiles, birds and amphibians. Animals adapt to their surroundings are classified as terrestrial, aquatic, arboreal and aerial animals. They can be also classified into herbivores, carnivores and omnivores and parasites based on their eating habits. So in this way we are classifying the animals into different types. We are going to discuss each type. Okay? Yes. This lesson is very interesting, no? Yes. Because we are loving animals and we are having different types of pet animals at your home. Isn't it so? Yes. First, vertebrates. Vertebrates are the animals that have backbones inside their body. For example, humans, mammals, fish, reptiles, amphibians and birds. We all are having backbone inside our body, no? Yes. So we are also called as vertebrates. Yes. Backbone means the bone present at our back. Yes. Like us, mammals, fish, reptiles are also having backbones. Yes. Next, invertebrates. Invertebrates are the animals that do not have backbone inside their body. Example, insects, snails, octopus, crabs, eels, starfish. These are all not having backbone inside their body. Okay, they are boneless creature, so they are called as invertebrates. Yes. Next, mammals. Animals that give birth to young ones are called as mammals. Example, human beings, lion, deer, horse, dog, cat, goat, elephants, kangaroo, dolphins, whales, and bats are the examples for mammals. Then, common feature of the mammals. They give birth to their young ones. They have hair on their bodies. Female mammals produce milk and feed their young ones with their milk. The babies eat other food when they grown up. Okay, when they are small, they depend on their mother's milk. Yes, so mammals are the animals which give birth to their young ones. Yes. Next, animal adaptations. Living things change or adapt to suit their surroundings. Habitat is a natural living place of a plant or an animal. Adaptation happens over thousands of years. So, based on their adaptation, the animals are classified into terrestrial animals, aquatic animals, amphibians, aerial animals, and arboreal animals. So, animal adaptation is the living things or animals adapt to suit their surroundings. Yes. First, terrestrial animals. Animals that live on land are called terrestrial animals. For example, horse, cow, lion, zebra, deer, camel, snake, and lizard. These animals which living on land, so they are called terrestrial animals. Yes. Next, aquatic animals. Animals that live in water are called aquatic animals or water animals. For example, fish, sharks, turtles, eel, octopus, starfish. They are the examples for aquatic animals. Features. They have fins to swim in water. Fish breathe through their gills. So, the animals which living in water are called aquatic animals or water animals or sea animals. Yes. Next, reptiles. Reptiles are the vertebrates which have backbones as humans. They are covered with small bony plates called scales. They breathe through their lungs. They lay eggs. The shells of their eggs are leathery so that they do not break easily. These eggs are warmed by the sun. Example for reptiles are lizards, snakes, turtles, and crocodiles. So the reptiles lays eggs only. Not at all, they are giving birth to young ones. So they are laying eggs. From the eggs, the new reptiles will come. Yes. Even crocodiles, alligators, frogs, fishes are all reptiles. Yes. Amphibians. Animals that live both on land and in water are called as amphibians. Example, frog, toad, salamander, etc. Features. Amphibians lay their eggs, which are covered by a jelly-like substance in water. The young one of the frog are called tadpoles. The tadpoles have the tail and develop 4 tiny legs. Then they become young frogs with longer legs and shorter tails. Finally, they develop into adult frog, which have no tails. Adult frog have lungs to breathe. Yes, so amphibians are the animals which can live both on land as well as in water. Some types of worms, salamander, toad, and frogs are the examples for amphibians. Okay, children, clear? Yes. Next, aerial animals. Animals that can fly in the air are called aerial animals. Example, birds and insects. Features: aerial animals fly in the air with the help of wings. Their bodies are boat shaped. Their bones are light. They build nest. Next, uses of nest. Birds build nest to lay eggs, to feed their young ones. They raise their young ones to protect the young ones from enemies. But coil bird does not build its own nest. It lays eggs in other birds' nest. Other than quail, all the other birds build nest and lay eggs there. Yes. Next, arboreal animals. Animals that spend most of their time on trees are called arboreal animals. Example, monkeys, squirrels, chameleons and garden lizards. Features of arboreal animals. They have strong limbs to help them to climb up on trees and hold on to the branches. They have claws in their legs to move easily on trees. So the arboreal animals are living in the tree most of the time and take rest in the branches of the tree. Yes. Next, adaptations based on food. Based on the type of eating habits of animals, they are classified into herbivores, carnivores and omnivores. First, herbivores. Animals that eat plants are called herbivores. Example, cow, goat, giraffe, elephants. Features: all the herbivores' teeth are shaped to cut and chew leaves and grass. They have strong hooves to walk long distances on a grassy lawn. Giraffe has a long neck to eat leaves from the trees. Yes. Next, carnivores. Animals that eat other animals are called carnivores. That is, flesh-eating animals are called as carnivores. Example, lion, tiger, leopard, fox, jackal, etc. Features: carnivores have sharp pointed teeth to tear the flesh. Birds that eat flesh have strong pointed beaks and sharp claws to tear flesh. So carnivores are the flesh-eating or meat-eating animals. Mostly wild animals comes in this category. Yes. Next, omnivores. Animals that eat both plants and animals are called omnivores. Example, crow, bear and human beings. Yes, and the human beings, the non-vegetarian people comes under omnivore. Yes, because they are eating both plants and animals meat. But vegetarian people eats only herbs, so they comes under herbivores. Yes. Next, parasites. Animals that feed on other living plants or animals are called parasites. Example, mosquitoes, lice, leeches, bedbugs, etc. are the examples for parasites because they depend on other organisms for their food. For example, lice living on the human's hair and they suck blood from the humans. Yes. Next, Camouflage. Some animals are covered with stripes or spots to prevent them from being seen easily. This helps them to blend with the surroundings. This is called camouflage. For example, zebras, deer, tiger, chameleon, leopard have camouflage character. That is, they blend them with their surroundings to protect themselves from the hunters or hunting animals. For example, chameleon changes its color when it is present in leaves or trees or somewhere. Wherever it goes, its color changes. This is called camouflage. Next, hibernation. Hibernation is when some animals have long winter sleep during the cold weather season. For example, polarbear sleeps for a long time, nearly for 3 to 6 months during winter. So it undergoes hibernation. Yes. Animal families. Animals that live in groups are called social animals. A group of langrus is called a troop. A group of elephants is called a herd. In elephant herd, the oldest female elephant is the leader of the herd. A group of lions is called a pride. Mostly the wild animals which are living in the forest can be always in groups. We are living in groups like a family, no, like that. The animals are also living in the groups, and the groups are called by a special name. Yes. Elephant group is called as herd, and langrus group is called as troop, and lion group is called as pride. Like us, the animals are also living in a family tribe. Yes. Children, so far we had learned about the animals and its tribes, and then camouflage, hibernation, and the different animal families: carnivores, herbivores, omnivores, aquatic animals, terrestrial animals, aerial animals, and arboreal animals. This lesson is so interesting, no? Yes, very interesting. Have you all understood clearly? Good. Coming to activity part, define vertebrates and invertebrates with examples. Next, what do you mean by camouflage? And write the examples. Next, describe about the different types of animals based on their eating habits. What are the animals classified under their eating habits? Carnivores, herbivores, omnivores, and parasites. Explain each one of them in detail. Yes. So children, so far we have learned about different types of animals and their eating habits, isn't it? Yes. I will catch you in the next session of our EVS class. Take care of yourself, watch the videos, do the homework, learn properly, draw the diagrams wherever necessary. Okay, bye bye, take care, thank you.